Hi, I'm Bob. A pie chart has a similar function as a bar chart. We can use a pie chart to show how many observations for each category defined by a categorical variable. For example, if we want to know the number of observations by education level, we could type graph pie followed by the option over and education in the bracket. We can label the pies by using the option plabel. Inside the bracket, we write _all, which means label all the slices of the pie. Slices may be labeled with the sum or the percentage of the overall sum. We see that the sum option gives the frequency count for each education level. The percent option shows the percentage of each slide. We can add the sort and descending options to change the order of the slides. The pie chart could be eye-catching with the pie and explode option. We specify which slide we want to explode.